Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to pay with EBT for Aldi Delivery on Instacart. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So to pay with EBT for Aldi Delivery on Instacart, all you need to do is click on your profile icon once after you open your application and then head straight into your wallet and you can add your card. But if you don't find it there, what you can do is simply go ahead and so let's just say Safeway is Aldi, okay, for me, because at the moment I can't order from Aldi. I don't know why it's not available in my area yet, as you can see right over here. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you from here, okay? So let's just say you add something to cart. All you need to do is simply go ahead and head to the cart, and then when you check out, as you can see, there is going to be a payment method option as well once you choose your delivery address. And on the payment method, you want to simply go ahead and select EBT. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.